Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the rest. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique here, Anique Budget. So if you are new here, like, comment, subscribe, turn the notification bell on because we would love to have you. So join the family, okay? Y'all, it's month number 5. It's month of May, y'all, and we are excited, okay? Excited. So in this video today, we're gonna do my first budget breakdown, baby. Get into it. First budget breakdown for the month, and baby, we need to get it together because you see what day it is? It's like the 6th of the month, and your girl has not gotten it together. Let me do this. So, no shade, no tea. Let's get into this budget with me. Okay, y'all. So, let's talk about it. Let's talk about where this money is going, where this money is coming from, and what we basically want to be doing with what? With this money. So, first things first, what am I getting paid from? And so, your girl is getting paid from salary. And we love that for us. Okay? Love that for us. So, for salary, we are getting a little bump in the trunk, you know. So we're getting $1,083.83, and we love that for us. So $183.83 is what we're working with. So it's the beginning of the month, child. Luckily for me, I got to pay rent or mortgage. Shout out to all of y'all who still got paid. Your girl's gonna be starting to be a part of the crowd in a little bit, but we ain't rushing it, okay? No, baby. But I do have some expenses that do come out of this first paycheck. So my first one is my Patreon, which comes out, child, baby, it's been come out. It's a y'all taking time. Y'all ain't gonna take long to give me my money. But $17.50 is my Patreon. Then Merrick is my other bill. Personally, I do need to, like, personally, I need to move. I need to make this payment. So I haven't made it yet. It's the 5th of the month. Girl needs to get it together. But that's okay. Next is internet. Next is internet, which is $86.44. I have my credit card because I do have, yes, child, I am making credit card payments. I don't have no minimum balance yet, child. We ain't hoping for none, but I'm constantly paying on my credit card because I'm buying stuff for my travel, for my Japan trip. I'm buying stuff for me to leave in July. Yeah, it's just a lot. It's y'all, this is 3 more months before I leave, and so yeah, your girl is like getting it together. So credit card, we're gonna put $100 on there because y'all, I've been putting money on this credit card. I sure have. I've been putting money on this credit card, and I basically need to start putting it into gear, like paying off this credit card. You feel me? So yeah. Next is my retirement, which is pissing me off. I'm not gonna lie, it's pissing me off. So I've tried like 3, 4, maybe 5 times to like start up my retirement account at my job. And then I want to do 5% to my job because they'll match the 5%. And then I want to do 5% to my personal account. And then I will basically buy the stocks on that personal account. But when I tell you it's pissing me off because my job one will not start. And I've been trying to start it now for a month going on 2. It's pissing me off, y'all. Like, it's making me mad. Like, for real. But I'm gonna keep trying because I'm gonna get matched. I'm gonna get my 5%. It's free money. Why should I leave it alone? You know, I'm not doing that. So I'm gonna match. I'm gonna get my 5%, and once that happens, then this retirement will basically go away, or it will be lowered because literally, yeah, guys, I'm making the adjustment for what my retirement is gonna be, and so yeah. But neither here nor there. Next is my investing, which my investing is $78 on this one. Yeah, it's lower than what I normally do, but you know, it's gonna work out for me. It's lower than what I normally do, but yeah, that's fine. And then now we need a good old calculator. Child, where is my calculator? Where is calculator? Okay, there you go. Alright, so for me, those were all of my expenses, right? All 6 of my expenses. So that's $17.50 plus the $100 plus the $86.44 plus 100 again. I was like, 125 plus $78. So that came up to a total of $506.94. And so from that 1083.83 minus the 506.94, I have a total of 576.89, and that's what's going to be remaining for me to work with. Okay, so next we're going to go into our cash envelopes, which, baby, this is the bread and butter for everyday living. So yeah, I'm going to do my cash envelopes. The first one in here is tithes, and what I give into investment is exactly what I give into tithes. So that is going to be $78. I just always match it. Whenever I'm investing in myself, I'm investing in God. So $78. For groceries, I'm not sure. Like, I know we have like a little thing coming up where I might need groceries, but I don't know. But because I don't know, I'm going to put $20. I'm going to put $20 and put $10 in gas because I always need money. I think I do have to get a bus ticket, which is $5. Even though I have a decent amount of money in gas, you know, you still want to keep doing it because, baby, real easy, that can be gone. My allowance, always give her 5, okay? Locked in with my $5 to buy my coconut water for the week. That is my allowance. That is my thing. Run me my $5. Toiletries, B5. I don't really have too much toiletries that I'm, well, I did go to Daiso this weekend while I do my hair trial and I buy some stuff. But the stuff that I bought, I think I'm going to do 50-50 between my travel and my household because majority of what I bought, I want to say, is in relation to my upcoming trip, even though I'm going to be using it way after that. So, you know, like, I think I'm going to do 50-50. I haven't figured that out yet, but, you know, we're working on it. Next is household, which I'm going to have to buy cleaning supplies. I'm going to have to buy cleaning supplies, and I'm going to have to buy laundry detergent, you know, the dryer sheets, all those. I'm going to have to buy my stock, so I'm going to be up there on household. So I'm going to put $10 in household. And then for hair care, I'm going to do $50 because, you know, it's the month of May. We got to prepare for the month of June's hair. And then miscellaneous, we're going to do 0. Which, child, at this point, I feel like miscellaneous should get money, but we're not going to rush it. So, 78 plus 20 plus 10 plus 5 plus 5 plus 10 plus 50 plus 0 equals to $178. Okay, cute. $178 is what we're putting in cash envelopes. And so 576.89 minus 178 equals $398.89 that is remaining. Okay, so that is my cash envelopes. That was my expenses. Now we're gonna move on into my sinking funds, which, baby, okay? Yeah. So first sinking funds that I'm going to do is my emergency fund. And since I got 89 cents on here, you guys know I always do transfer immediately to I do a digital transfer for emergency fund. So I'm gonna do 38.89. Let's do that. 38.89 for my emergency fund. Home maintenance, let's do 20. Car maintenance, what's that? I got $398.89 minus $38.89. That's what, $360. So okay, I can do about $20. $20. My car insurance, I'm gonna do 10. Because like I said, car insurance for me last time was $25 a month. Charlie, if we can have, baby, okay? Travel, you know, we doing a whole lot of, so I'm going to hit you with a 50 ball because I'm trying to, you know, live well. On the travel front, my birthday, I'm also trying to live well on that day too. So you know what, we're going to hit them with a 50 ball as well. So, boom. travel on my birthday, boom, you know, because travel is for the excursions. My birthday is actually for me to buy food, buy gifts, buy food and gifts and any other personal items that I want. But for the excursions themselves and anything related to the travel, because I also bought, I'm gonna show y'all when I do my expense section, my tracking of my account expenses. But yeah, I also bought some stuff too today from, yeah, child, there's a whole bunch of money being spent for the finalization of this trip and stuff. So yeah, and I gotta buy train tickets to one of the places, and then train tickets all the way back to the airport. So maybe it's yep. Next is my home, which is gonna add $20 because, you know, cute. Then clothing, y'all, I was trying to find some clothes. I want to say this week. It was this weekend. I was trying to find some clothes this weekend to, like, you know, wear because it's gonna be hot and stuff. And obviously I have dresses and that's cool, but do I really want to be wearing dresses out there? I was like, shorts, some sneakers and stuff, because walking will be fundamental, child. In Asia, if you're visiting any Asia country, walking is fundamental. And I was like, you know, give me some shorts, give me a t-shirt, you know, cool. Child, I could not find nothing in like t-shirts and stuff that I like. So I think I might have to go to like the mall and go to like a go to one of the Korean malls to basically find some stuff. But yeah, I was like, child, what is going on? But that's what happened, child. So I think for clothing, I'm gonna put $10 in here. Fam B-Day, I don't have any Fam B-Day coming up. As a matter of fact, I need to basically like pay on my card for the money that I do have in there, because Family Day I think right now is overspent by a cute little penny. If we're not mistaken, a cute little penny. So I'm gonna put $5 in there, but it's gonna go towards paying off what it's owed. So I'm not even sure if I'm gonna take that out of the bank, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. And then skincare for me, let's do $10 because in a couple months I gotta buy a stack, y'all. I gotta buy my stack of skincare products because we will be leaving Korea. And if you know anything about Korea, you get skincare here, child. They eats down every time. So yeah, 20 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10. This is, damn. Okay, this is $233.89. That's a whole lot. $233.89. And so from the $398.89 minus $233.89, that's $165 remaining. Okay, cute. So for 1 month ahead, I'm gonna do 15. I think that's good. And then for the subscriptions, I'm gonna do 10. So that's 15 and 10 is 25. And so that's gonna leave 140 for saving challenges, which love that for us. So this is gonna be 165. So that's gonna leave us with $0 here. We're not doing anything additional towards anything, child. $0 there and $0 here. So that is it. That is all. May 1st paycheck is what? Accomplished. So yeah, y'all, that is basically how I'm breaking down my paycheck. I do have some extra coinage, but like I said, this is from this retirement, like not starting. And so yeah, it's getting on my nerve, but you know what, we ride. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you insight. I hope it helped you for you figuring out how to manage your budget, child, because all of these expenses is basically what I would have for the week for this paycheck. You can do it by monthly bills. You can do it what you want to pay weekly, bi-weekly, whatever it is. Weekly works for me, so your girl is, you know, getting into it. But if you did like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the link down below for my coffee shop so you can get some free printables, because we are playing bingo on Wednesday, okay? And we're also doing our cash stuffing, and so there's free 7 challenges and stuff on there as well, so go ahead and get some. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Anique, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye!
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.